So what you can also do is you can go ahead and upload out contents and give it prompts out of it. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the attachment section right here, which allows you to upload out something. So now once you do that, you can actually go ahead and, let's say for example, go ahead and select out a particular design, let's say for example, and click on open. So once you do that, you can see that the design is opening right here, which has a text in it. So you can simply go ahead and now say explain what this picture is about right here. So now you can go ahead and upload contents. It can be document, images such as this right here, and then it'll simply go ahead and then base off the prompt of it. So you can see that I uploaded out this image and explain what the picture is about, and it says the image is a promotional graphics for photography competition organized by YouTube. The phrase capture the moment is prominently displayed at the top, suggesting that the competition is focused on capturing significant or beautiful moments through photography. The invitation to join YouTube's photography competition is an explicit call to action, encouraging viewers to participate. So this is how you can give prompts based on uploaded contents inside of Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.